Inspiring real car buyers and members here on the Homework Guy channel, and an opportunity for you to learn from their shared experiences, advice, and strategies. If you've ever wondered how beneficial a membership package can be here on the Homework Guy channel, just listen to the courage these car buyers are exercising while car shopping. Hi, I'm Kevin Hunter, the Homework Guy, and back on the show with the return of her healthy voice is the amazing Elizabeth, the Homework Gal.
Ooh, for a few days there, I didn't feel amazing. I was down to whisper for a while. It's great to be back and have my voice back.
I want to open this show today with several exchanges we've had recently with members. First up, here's Jamie. He's been looking for a Lexus RC300 and came up with this 2019 Lexus RC300 with just 17,000 miles on it. Jamie writes, attached is the first and second offer documents provided to me by the dealership. I believe there are a lot of fluff fees here, but looking for your professional opinion. If the price is right, I am considering getting a secondary private inspection. Always a good idea.
I wrote back, well, the sale price is correct, about $31,000, but they recoup the discount they show by giving you an inflated price of $35,488, then show a discount of $4,000. Yeah, right. The real price was just $31,488 to begin with. And then the two big fake fees take the money right back. Have you pressed them to take off the advantage fake fee and the pre-delivery fee?
Some advantage.
Yeah. I'll attach the wholesale numbers so you can see how much they likely paid for the car. I'd guess $27,000. That means they're making $4,000 at the $31,000 sale price, which is more than enough to cover their costs.
With this input from Liz, Jamie didn't waste any time. He got back to the dealer, and here's what happened. Jamie says, the first paperwork forwarded to me was for $38,500 OTD. Out the door. I laughed for a day or two over the inflated fees, then returned their document, crossing out some of the fees and adding my OTD offer as shown below. You can see where Jamie crossed things out before sending it back to the finance officer. He shows his OTD offer at $34,200. You see, friends, that's how it works. You don't have to take their first attempt at an OTD. You ask the dealer what the price is in writing. You wait a bit, do a little laughing, and then send it back. Writing what you want, then they have the opportunity to earn your business. When they get back to you with a satisfactory OTD offer, only then do you go in.
Here's what they responded with. Good morning, Jamie. Give me a minute. I'm talking to my boss right now about what I can do. The taxable fee is going to be the electronic filing fee to process the paperwork and out-of-state tag work. The pre-delivery service charge is our dealer fee, and I cannot do anything about that. The $400 non-tax fee is an estimate for your plate and registration for Texas. I know I will not be able to get to $34,200, but let me see what I can do. Just hilarious.
This progress towards a lower price is clear evidence that no longer do dealers have a lineup of people waiting for the vehicle if you don't buy it.
Sure.
That understanding and belief by some of you just kills your negotiation leverage before you get started. So stop it. Now here's another member, Dana. He's a mechanic, so he can do his own pre-purchase inspection. That's pretty handy.
Yep.
Dana has sent Liz at least 20 book-out requests. Most trucks in the class he's been looking for were overpriced, and if they were decently priced, they sold quickly before he could travel there and make it on time before somebody else snatched it up. He started with us on January 30th by writing in, Hi Liz, I just joined up today and went straight to the top, meaning the consults member level. I'm on the search for a 2018-2019 GMC Denali HD pickup. Preferably a 2019 in white frost tri-coat, but would also settle for a 2018 or a Summit White model. There are two private seller options I'm looking at and wondering if you could book them out for me. Thanks, Dana.
I got back to him with the Black Book info, but these trucks just weren't the right fit for him. Then we did 2 weeks worth of bookouts as he searched. Then Dana came back with this one. By this point, he was willing to be flexible on color, model year, etc. I think that's worth noting, viewers, that it's fine to start looking with specifics in mind, and as you search for vehicles, adapt your preferences as needed to what you're finding.
Great point.
Yep, you'll find your vehicle much faster that way.
Dana then asked Liz, please send me book numbers. What's your best guess for a fair purchase price on this truck? He includes the year, make, model, the VIN typed out, which helps Liz a lot, by the way, friends.
A lot.
And the exact trim, which for trucks is crucial for getting exact Black Book numbers.
After the long search, I was excited. I replied, holy buckets, this is the first one you've sent me that is below loan amount and below average selling price. Go look at it right away. This is a breakthrough. This will sell fast unless there's some obvious issue.
Dana replied to Liz's urgent message to say, I will make the 5-hour trek down there if we can come to terms. I did ask what fees they had in addition to the purchase price and was provided the attached first quote. I asked for the nitrogen-filled tires, such a joke, low jack and door edging to be removed and offered $62,000. I then received the attached second quote. I was told, and you'll notice that the second quote includes a stamp that states the quote is contingent on using their finance company, as they will receive a kickback that they can discount off the truck. No early payment penalty. I would have to keep the account active for 4 months, they said. What are your thoughts on this? I don't mind doing that if I need to.
My reply to him was, I say the true selling price is $64,000, and that's still well below average. I say take the loan, but make sure the loan is over 61 months. 72 is the most common. By law, a loan over 61 months will not have a prepayment penalty. Get a long loan and pay it off on the first payment. They only say to make 4 payments so that their own paychecks get funded. So he doesn't want you to cut into his pay, and he'll push the loss onto Ally Bank. That's what he was trying to do. But here's the beautiful part. The finance officer will get a chargeback, which I think is a fair way of punishing them for playing dirty on the finance offer to begin with. Just pay close attention to the contract that the total price doesn't go up.
Dana has to fly out to get this vehicle, so we're still waiting to see if he gets it. He should do just fine. We published a video called Cash Car Buyers Outsmart Dealers in 2024 using their own business model against them. The Homework Guy. There's a part 1 and part 2. It details how to take a 61-month or longer car loan and pay it off immediately. You not only get the better deal by taking the loan, but there's no penalty for paying it off immediately.
Well, there's no penalty to the buyer, but the finance officer and the dealership get what's called a chargeback, meaning part of their paycheck takes a whack because the financial institution pulls their commission back because the loan wasn't in play long enough for the bank to pocket some interest money. Ooh.
The next member up is Patricia. You know, dealers get more ruthless by the day, but can be stopped by savvy car buyers like Patricia. She writes, I just signed up for the consults level after watching and utilizing the information in the FTC purchase tying video. The dealer dropped $39.95 in required add-on charges just by asking, are you telling me that in order to buy this vehicle, I am required to also purchase the protection package from your dealership? In 1 hour, the price dropped nearly $4,000.
Nice.
I did not purchase from them. So this dealer ditched their added costs, and Patricia still said, no thanks.
Way to go.
Well, friends, the reason is pretty simple. Patricia is currently in our auction-based car buying program, along with her husband, Paul. We hope to deliver 2 great vehicles at awesome prices to this couple. No surprise fees and no forced add-ons to battle against. We've assisted several people with getting connected to auction cars so far and hope to do a lot more of you in the weeks to come. In the beginning here, friends, we are targeting the zones in the east and northeast parts of the U.S., until we get the kinks worked out. We will add in people from other regions too, but our service will be altered a little because if you're in places like Texas or California, your vehicles would come to you straight from the auction. We'd never touch them, nor would our man from the auction touch them. So you'd have to peel the auction stickers out of your car yourself. Yeah. Initially, we want our staff to be involved in the inspection of the vehicles as we clearly established there are no issues. If you happen to be from other regions, not out east or in the northeast, just let us know. You'd gladly take on the responsibility of doing final touch-ups on your car if we ship it directly to you from the auction. Hopefully, that makes some sense.
Friends, we just published a video about a story on a pretty ruthless dealer in North Carolina, Greensboro CDJR. Check it out if you haven't seen it. It's titled, Dealer Fraud Caught at Greensboro CDJR. FTC Cars Rule Delay Hurts.
Friends, if you wish to get signed up for our fabulous membership program, you can do so by clicking that join button down below or by sending a text to Liz at 701-441-3399.
Also, for those of you who would rather not pay for a membership through YouTube, you can do so at any of the links you'll find in the description box below. We've posted links for PayPal, Cash App, and Venmo there. Or maybe you just want to send us a donation to say thanks for what we do. Use those same links found in the description box. Make sure you check it out.
Thanks again to our many faithful followers who just keep coming back. And a special thank you to all of our longtime subscribers out there. You guys rock. God bless you all. I'm Kevin Hunter, the Homework Guy, signing off on behalf of the amazing Elizabeth and our entire Homework Guy team. We are serving truth, justice, and transparency in the car business and always will. And now through our auction purchase program, we are leading the way to a whole new business model example for dealers. For now, we've got to go.